Sherlock is a television crime drama that presents a contemporary adaptation of Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's Sherlock Holmes detective stories. Created by Stephen Moffat and Mark Gatiss, it stars Benedict Cumberbatch as Sherlock Holmes and Martin Freeman as Dr. John Watson. The first series of 3 episodes aired in 2010, while Series 2 aired in 2012, and a third series aired in the first quarter of 2014. The third series has become the UK's most-watched drama series since 2001. A single episode aired in 2016. As a Victorian-era special, Sherlock has been sold to over 200 territories. Sherlock depicts consulting Detective Holmes assisting the Metropolitan Police Service, primarily Detective Inspector Greg Lestrade, Rupert Graves, in solving various crimes. Holmes is assisted by his flatmate, Dr. John Watson, who has returned from military service in Afghanistan. Although the series depicts a variety of crimes and perpetrators, Holmes' conflict with his archenemy Jim Moriarty, Andrew Scott, is a recurring feature. Molly Hooper, Louise Brealey, a pathologist at Bart's hospital, occasionally assists Holmes in his cases. Other recurring roles include Una Stubbs as Mrs Hudson, Holmes and Watson's landlady, and co-creator Mark Gatiss as Sherlock's brother, Mycroft Holmes. In January 2014, Moffat confirmed that the series would have a 4th series, and that a 5th series had been plotted. As of 15 January 2017, 13 episodes of Sherlock have aired, including one special, concluding the 4th series. Series overview. Episodes: Series 1, 2010, Series 2, 2012, Series 3, 2014, Special, 2016, Series 4, 2017. Sherlock at the Internet Movie Database. Sherlock at the BBC.